Alright, if you have a GeekVape Z tank, I don't know, Z element of P, and you want to get these two pieces apart, because as you can see, I have some kind of an O-ring or something that was loose inside here, and I wanted to figure out what that was about. This is what you want to do. It's the part number for this channel locks, I think anyways. And then here's an Evercraft 13/16 by 3 inch. You get this set just right, it's not going to come out, it's just going to stay where it's at. And if you line this up right, you can find yourself to get in here. And I mean, it's difficult, but if you do it just right, it'll come apart. I don't know why this was so difficult to find online, but now you know.